Hello and welcome to Learn Carnatic Music. Today we are diving into the crucial next level practice for any serious student, LAYA practice, 3 speeds in 1 Āvartana. This is a powerful tool to strengthen your rhythmic balance and focus using the familiar Ādi Tālam, the 8-beat cycle. We are going to master this technique in 2 cycles, forward and reverse. Let's begin immediately with cycle 1, the forward pattern, moving from the slowest speed to the fastest. First speed to second speed and then third speed. The 8 beats are split this way. 4 beats for first speed, 2 beats for second speed and 2 beats for third speed. Excellent. Now let's move to cycle 2, the reverse pattern. This is challenging because it trains you to slow down smoothly and accurately, third speed to second speed and finally back to first speed. Now let's bring it all together. Here is the full continuous practice, forward followed by reverse. Try to keep up. Regular practice of both the forward and reverse patterns in Ādi Tālam is vital to your rhythmic mastery. Remember, this exercise is the direct path to cementing your Kalapramanam, the perfect rhythmic measure that defines a professional performer. Ready for the next challenge? The complete 7 Alankara practice series is available as exclusive shorts for our channel members. Click the join button now to stabilize your Kalapramanam across all rhythmic structures. Keep practicing.